We're back at it again today. So we're just finished cleaning off two of the roof sections, and we're going to start putting some plywood on them. We've got another beautiful day out here today. So yesterday we got the sheeting done on this truss section, and then today we're going to be working on this one. This is the biggest one, and then we might have time to get number 4 done, and then this one at the end will be left to the last. This is the one that got damaged in the wind that we had a couple weeks ago, so there's going to be some work needed on this. There's that divider piece of wood in the middle that's come off completely. I don't think we have enough sheets for both of these sections.
How many sheets are there?
I think there's like 10 left.
No.
Yeah. I took 5 out. There's like 10 maybe.
You've taken 5 out?
Yeah.
It's 10 each side. 2, 4, 6, 12 to do that.
So you've got enough to do this one, but I don't think there's enough to do the other.
Is this 5 here?
There's 4 there. 11.
15, 16.
Yep.
16. So it's 12 plus 4. So we're going to do this one, and that side.
Well, we only have 2 hours of daylight, so that'll probably be all we could do anyway.
Yeah, that's all we can do anyway.
What size is the thickness of this plywood?
3/8.
And each board is getting 5 of these clips.
Yeah, 1 in the middle and 2 on each side. You kind of want it to pinch a little, because as you move the boards around, you don't want them coming off, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's one side done. I'm gonna move to the other side and hopefully we can finish this while we still have some daylight. It'll be close. You like swing dancing music?
No, I hate it.
Then why is it on your playlist? It's your phone playing.
Oh no, there was a piece of the introduction.
Yeah. This one's done, which means...
Have you nailed everywhere on this one?
Yep.
Oh well, I need to put that on then.
Yep.
Unless you get on and walk it up, can you do that? Are you strong enough? Are you a ranch girl enough?
To walk it up?
Yeah. Get onto the thing and just walk. You'll have to come on this side. Walk in the middle. Walk in the middle. Yep. Yep. Throw it high up.
Well, we're done for another day, and we still only did one section. That's okay though. It went by pretty fast. Every one we do, it always gets faster. So this one and this one on the end will probably get done in another day. And then once that's finished, I think it's pretty much ready for the crane. So that will only be lifted in January. While we wait for the crane to put the roof on top, so between now and then, we'll start sheeting the bottom row of the barn. We're only going to do the bottom row because if we were to do all the way to the top, if we get strong winds, there's really nothing to support the building. So just to avoid any kind of damage happening to it, that roof has to go up before we can sheet everything. The plan for today is to work on this truss and to fix the damage that the wind caused to it. And just make sure it's squared up. We've noticed when we were putting the sheeting on the other sections that the boards weren't exactly fitting square. So we're just make sure everything's real square, and then we can continue on. We've actually run out of the sheets of the plywood. There's 4 left. So we'll have to pick up more of those tomorrow. And then we should be able to finish the last 2 sections. How badly are they out?
Up straight. We're going to check that one. That one's for sure out. They're up straight, but now you've got to make sure they're not like this. This. And then we can put it back together. We now have to run our cross-reference measurements to make sure it's square.
Yeah.
So what I think we'll do, I'm going to run a few shot lines on the ends to get the ends lined up on both sides. We'll run that, and then we'll check for square, and then we'll adjust it accordingly. We'll have to take these off, obviously. You good?
Yeah. Is that square enough for you?
Yeah, 1 inch over that kind of distance. I know I'm fine. You want to grab your plank, line yourself up. Get yourself right over here. Everyone good? Tell me when. Africans don't do well in snow.
You're in the wrong country.
Well, good.
Mm-hmm. So we've got the side braces on, and then we've got the cross bracing through the middle.
So technically it's braced.
So what's left is just put the strapping
Yeah.
and then the gable on this end.
Yeah.
Man, this last truss is just tests your patience. Okay, so that last truss section's done, finally. Oh, that was really, really annoying. But then we just noticed that on the fourth truss section, we didn't put the very last strap on. Whatever, it'll happen probably tomorrow, because now we're gonna put the gable on that last one.
Other one up. I think this way we can get the V to line up better than we did the last time. So the bottom's closed, the top's open. Yeah. So now, what we're going to do is you're going to go, I'm going to put a nail in there, now in the other side, and you're going to lift that. That's what you're going to do. Okay, lifted.
More?
Lift it up. Can you lift?
I am.
That's as good as it gets.
You want more?
A little more if you can.
I'm lifting the whole frame.
Okay, stay where you are.
Am I still lifting?
Yes.
Well, that is all for another day. We'll pick this up again tomorrow. We'll put the last strap on that truss over there. Pick up some more plywood sheets. We should be able to get both of these sheeted tomorrow. And then I think that's it for these trusses. Do you think we'll be done to these trusses tomorrow?
Huh?
Do you think we'll be done the trusses tomorrow?
Except in the ghost pieces, yes. We're going to finish all the framing, all the sheeting.
Yeah. So there's that gap. We need to close that up. This last strap across the bottom and the other side. Sheet, done.